Hiyashi Chuka is Japan's favorite summer noodle dish. Chilled noodles are topped with colorful vegetables. A tangy soy vinegar sauce brings it all together, light and refreshing in every bite. I have created a new ratio for the sauce and it's even more delicious. Let's start with making the sauce. In a bowl, whisk together the sugar, rice vinegar, chicken broth, and soy sauce until the sugar dissolves completely. Add sesame oil and white sesame seed and stirring until the mixture smells fragrant and nutty. If you love a richer, creamier dressing, blend in sesame paste or tahini with a touch of peanut butter. The sauce will cling to the noodles more beautifully and creating a silky smooth texture. To prepare the toppings, sprinkle salt over the cucumber and roll it gently on the cutting board. This helps remove bitterness and refreshes its green surface. Slice diagonally into thin slices and cut into fine strips. Crisp hotly and cool cucumber adds a refreshing crunch. Cut tomato into wedges. Juicy texture and the mild acidity will balance the savory sauce. Slice the ham into thin strips. Its soft, savory bite pairs perfectly with the cold noodles. Beat eggs and add salt and sugar. And potato starch dissolve in cold water. The starch make it elastic, help the egg hold together. Heat a greased pan over medium-low heat. Pour a half of the mixture and swirl until the surface is dried. Flip carefully and cook the other side for a few minutes and take out onto the bamboo tray. And once it's cooled, cut in quarter and shred into the fine strips. To cook the noodles, bring a pot of water to a boil and cook the noodles 1 minute longer than the packet directions. For this noodle, we need to cook 2 minutes for the hot ramen noodles, but for these cold noodles, we have to cook 1 minute longer. And drain. Rinse under the cold running water to wash away the excess starch. The ice shook the noodles and tightening their texture and giving them a springy chew. Drain thoroughly and spread into the shallow bowl. To assemble, arrange the toppings in neat bundles over the noodles. Green cucumber, an egg and shrimp and ham and tomatoes. And it looks like a painter's palette. And here is the another toppings. And for the crab sticks, gently tear into the small pieces. Here is a cooked shrimp. Sprinkle some sake and steam or boil until just turn pink. This is optional, but if you have a rehydrated shiitake left over from the making dashi, simmer with soy sauce and sugar until glossy. They add a deep umami and meaty chew that contrast beautifully with the fresh toppings. Pour about 4 tablespoons of the chilled sauce over each serving. For adding the kick, add a dab of Japanese mustard on the side. The first bite is a mix of cool, springy noodles, crisp cucumber, and soft egg, all brought together by tangy sauce that's in perfect imbalance. And a little mustard adds a nice kick, making it just right for the hot summer days. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!